Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is F06 brand wise Indesit washing machine. This washing machine 7 kg front loader Indesit brand. This machine it's not working motor, not rotating. After selecting any option within few minutes it's showing F06. We have to check whether motor defect or main control board. Because of that we have to troubleshoot the problem. After that only we can identify what is the exactly problem. Now we will remove the back cover and we will check the control board. For suppose we have to check the motor. After that we will check the control board and we will go to the next step. Now I already removed the screws and we can take it out the back cover. Now we can see the motor. The main control board is here, but motor continuity everything we will check first. After that we have to check the carbon brush. We will check the motor. After that we will go to the next step for the checking process with the main control board. For suppose we have to check the motor. After that we will decide to remove the belt, and after that I'm going to disconnect the power connection harness assemble from the motor. Now I already disconnect the power. Now we have to remove the two nuts. After that we can take out motor and we will remove already remove the motor. I can take it from the down from the bottom. Now first we will check the carbon brushes. The brushes are okay, look like brushes are okay. You can see the brush. It's a little bit gone, but nothing to worry because it should work. Now I will refix it again because the brushes are okay. Now we have to check the continuity from the motor. These two wires, white wires, this will go for the tacho generator. Also this one you can see it is for the carbon brush, this two wire. And this brown and now we can easy to find out. These three wires go for the winding. The one is carbon brush. This three wire we have to check with the continuity, and red, brown and maroon wire. This three wire we will check. These windings are okay, no any issue. Now we have to remove the control board and we will check the control board. harness. Now I'm going to disconnect from the board. Now I'm going to remove the cover, and you can see here it is already, it is black color scheme, and we have to remove and check properly. See my dear friends, this board having some issue and we have to check properly. After that we can recognize, we can troubleshoot the problem. What is the problem? Now I'm going to check this track, most probably defecting, this defect coming here. It is already shorted, this track. I will show you the other side. No. Yes, this one already gone, this track. We have to replace this one and we will check. We have to remove first. Now we can check again after removing. This is the track number. It's difficult to. Now I'm going to replace this one, the same track number BTB10. This one also same. Now I'm going to replace this one and we will check if should work after replacing this track, and we will replace and check. Now we are going to fix that one. Now already soldering also. Now we can check with the washing machine. Now finally we can fix and check if it is working. Our job will be complete. Now I'm going to fix with the cover, and it will come like that. Other way. Okay, now we will fix with the washing machine and we will check with the harness. With the control board. Now we will keep temporary like that. Also now I took the harness motor also. Now I can fix temporary like that, and we will check. Now we will keep it temporary. Now I have given already power connection. I will check with the spin cycle. I select spin and already door lock. And motor already started. Yes, motor already got start. Before it's not working, now it is already working. Now we have to fix permanently with the machine, and RPM also is increasing. Now our job already completed. We have to fix permanently with the body with the washing machine, and we can finish the job. Now I already fix main control board with the body with the machine. Now we have to close this one also, and also I fix motor. Now I have to give a motor connection. And harness it should be like that, otherwise while spinning time it will come out. Now I have to fix the belt. Finally I fix motor belt, V belt, and control assemble everything. Now finally we have to check. I'm selecting direct spin, 10 minutes showing to the display. Now we will start. Door already got lock. Now you can see motor already got start. Drum is rotating. Now you can see its motor already got start. Drum is rotating. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video as soon as